Now let's talk about positive rational number and negative rational number. So we have in rational number, we have positive rational number and negative rational number. Let's talk about them. See, look at this number. If I write 7 upon 3, this is positive integer. So this is positive rational number. If I write 9 upon 1, positive integer. So this is also positive rational number. 0 upon 6. See, if I write 0 upon 6, then it is positive rational number. But if I just write 0, it is neither positive nor negative. Alright? So, these are positive rational numbers. Why? Because both the numerator and denominator are positive. So, I can say that if both the numerator and denominator are positive, then it is positive rational number. Now, what about these numbers? See, we have already talked about this. Now let's see some more numbers. Let's say I have minus 4 upon minus 9. Now they both are negative integers. So can we call it a positive rational number? Of course, yes, because I can cancel this minus sign and now I am left with a positive rational number. Alright? Similarly, if I have, let's say, minus 1 upon minus 3, the same thing can be written as 1 upon 3 because I can cancel out minus sign. So now I have positive rational number. So I can say that numerator and denominator, if both are negative, okay, if they both are negative, then also it is called positive rational number. Alright? So what is positive rational number? When we have something like this where numerator and denominator are positives, and when we have numerator and denominator both negative, then we can cancel the negative sign and we are left with positive rational number. Alright? So in question, if they ask you something like this, that minus 4 and minus upon minus 9 is positive or negative rational number, then of course you can write that it is a positive rational number because you can cancel these out. Alright? So this is about positive. Now let's talk about negative rational numbers. See, here if I write minus 8 upon 17, notice this is negative and this is positive. So this is negative rational number because I can write this number like minus 8 upon 17. So this whole rational number is actually a negative number. Let's say I am given 3 upon minus 7. Now, one thing you need to remember that in rational number, denominator can't be negative. So, we need to convert this denominator as minus 3 upon 7. So, now in this case, we are left with negative rational number. So, this is also rational number. So, we can say that if either the numerator or the denominator is negative, then the number is said to be negative rational number. All right. So when a negative integer is divided by a positive integer or a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, naturally it would be negative. So we can say that every negative integer is a negative rational number. So this is one of the most important property also. Every negative integer is a negative rational number, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. All right. So this is how you can see some of the properties of rational number as far as the positive and negative numbers are concerned. All right. तो हमने क्या देखा, चलो क्विकली देख लेते हैं. हमने देखा पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स. पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर्स में क्या होता है, जब दोनों साइन पॉजिटिव है तो फिर वो पॉजिटिव ही है. अगर दोनों नेगेटिव है तो भी वो पॉजिटिव है. क्यों? बिकॉज माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाता है. फिर हमने देखा नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर में अगर न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव है तो नेचुरली वो तो नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर है. बट अगर डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है तो हमें उसको पहले कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसको हमें ये माइनस साइन ऊपर आ जाएगी, दैट इज इन न्यूमरेटर, तो ये -3 हो जाएगा. सो -3/7. याद रखो कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव नहीं होता. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. सो जब भी अगर आपको ऐसा दिया गया है तो सबसे पहले तो आपको उसको करेक्ट करके इस तरह से लिखना पड़ेगा और फिर डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि वेदर द गिवन नंबर इज नाउ नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर. ऑलराइट. सो नेचुरली सारे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स क्या होंगे, नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर ही होंगे ना. आप -4 ले लो तो भी -4/1, इट्स अ नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर. -5 ले लो, इट्स अ रैशनल नंबर बट नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर. सो इस तरह से होता है पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर.